let's build a banner. With just one click, you can add a background image from the library. Your cursor will let you know when you're in the scale mode. Scale your image so it fills the window completely. Now, let's add an object. With just one click, your object is added to your banner. Scale, rotate, and move your object into its desired position. That object looks a little distorted. Hold the Shift key to constrain an object proportionally. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's look for another element to add to our banner. Let's add the baseball. Every object can be moved, scaled, and rotated individually or as a unit. Let's add a drop shadow. Click the Image Control dialog box and then click Drop Shadow. Fine-tune the drop shadow to the desired effect. Let's add a drop shadow to the baseball. Toggle the drop shadow button off and then on again to apply the effect. You can change the color of an object by using the tint control. You can blur an object by using the blur control. You can even change the color of a drop shadow by using its color control. You can add a glow effect to an object by clicking the glow button. Or you can make an object one solid color by clicking Make Solid Color. Okay, let's add some text to this banner. Click the Text Control Panel button and then click Add New Text. Type your message and then select the typeface. Then choose the color of your type. Cursor will let you know when you're in the scale mode, and then scale your type. Type boxes only move from the edge. Click on the blue line to move your type. If you want to edit your type, click in the box. Type can use all of the image controls just like any other image. Always view the bevel effect at 100% to ensure quality. You can adjust opacity by dragging the transparency slider left. Let's leave this type 100% opaque. Let's look at the whole banner by sliding the scale tool left. Let's add Johnny's name to the baseball. Click the Text Control panel and click Add New Text. Then type Johnny into the text field. Scale and rotate the text so it appears to be on the baseball. Non-proportional scaling works well for this task. Just pull the edges of the blue box. Let's bevel the edges and add a slight drop shadow to make the effect more realistic. Remember to always view effects at 100% size to ensure our quality. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now, zoom out to see the entire banner. You can see the entire banner when the scale tool reaches 25%. We like the way Johnny looks on the baseball, but we want them both to be a little larger. But remember, Johnny and the baseball are two separate objects. Just shift-click both items and you can scale them together. You want these items to scale proportionally, so remember, hold the shift key while scaling. Enjoy using the banner builder at smilesigns.com.